is a lever.
Nice.
I like the seesaw. It actually works really well. With the what do you got? Yeah, it's the 2-lane slide with. Okay.
This is a simple playground. In the future, these will be monkey bars.
And then I also got a 2-wheel unicycle, which unicycle means one, but it's special. So
Is it?
This one?
Uh-huh.
It's a seesaw.
Okay, do you want to demonstrate it? Wow, look at that seesaw. It goes like. Yeah, see, it's fine. Okay, what about the swing?
And the